We often hear of young people not having the right values and attitudes in today's society. However, there is a novel program, a talent pageant, which seeks to empower high school students and instill in them the proper values and attitudes. In this edition of A Ray of Hope, Kirk Wright takes a look at the program.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.
It's a dance class of sorts, but it's really part of a rigorous 8-week training these 41 students go through for the Mr. and Mrs. High School competition to be judged later this month. It's open to students from across the corporate area. The participants are taught proper etiquette, the girls how to sit properly, and the boys how to treat ladies with respect.
Learning just general principles like etiquette, how to speak, how to walk, what's polite and what's not polite. We can't take for granted that they're being taught that in classrooms or at home. So I think it's a great platform for them to sharpen those critical skills.
The participants reveal the lessons learned from the training.
When I first entered this program, I was a little bit shy and afraid of what the peers might say. But coming to this program, it has certainly showed me that confidence is key, and going out there, trusting yourself and leading is the best way possible.
The students are from schools in the corporate area, and at some training sessions, speakers from various professions are brought in to give them pep talks. Marlon Williams from the Ministry of Education is one of them.
The ministry, I would say, is endorsing, because what we have come to find out is that this program is helping to instill values and attitude in our students, and the Ministry of Education is big on that. Even from the curriculum unit, where we focus on the writing and ensuring that the curriculum is implemented. I mean, our focus in terms of curriculum writing and implementation is not just teaching them math and language and social studies, but we also focus on the personal development.
The organizer, Paul Abrams, says for the past 5 years, the Caribbean Maritime Institute has granted the male and female winners of the competition scholarships. This, he argues, is one of the success stories of the program.
Gabriela Nelson from Dintel High, she's the first recipient from this program to Caribbean Maritime University. She went on to participate in their program over there, and she got another scholarship. As a matter of fact, I was talking to her on Thursday over by Caribbean Maritime, and she said next year will be her 4th year, and she has gotten another scholarship. She's doing exceptionally well.
I am Kirk Wright for Ray of Hope.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.